أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
أَمَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَأَنزَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ حَدَائِقَ ذَاتَ بَهْجَةٍ ما كان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها أإله مع الله بل هم قوم يعدلون.
Who is it that has created the heavens and the earth and sent down for you water from the sky, and then we caused to grow therewith orchards full of beauty, whose trees you could never grow? Is there any God associated with Allah in these tasks? Nay, they are a people who are veering away from the right path.
أَمَّنْ جَعَلَ الْأَرْضَ قَرَارًا وَجَعَلَ خِلَالَهَا أَنْهَارًا وَجَعَلَ لَهَا رَوَاسِيَ وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ حَاجِزًا أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ بَلْ أَكْثَرُهُمْ لَا يَعْلَمُونَ.
Who is it who has made the earth a place of resort, and has caused rivers to flow in its midst, and has placed upon it firm mountains, and has placed a barrier between two masses of water? Is there any God associated with Allah in these tasks? Nay, but most of them do not know.
أَمَّن يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ وَيَكْشِفُ السُّوءَ وَيَجْعَلُكُمْ خُلَفَاءَ الْأَرْضِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قَلِيلًا مَا تَذَكَّرُونَ.
Who is it who heeds the prayers of the distressed when he calls out to him, and who removes his affliction? And who is it who makes you vicegerents of the earth? Is there any God associated with Allah in this task? How little do you...
مَّن يَهْدِيكُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَن يُرْسِلُ الرِّيَاحَ بُشْرًا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَحْمَتِهِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ تَعَالَى اللَّهُ عَمَّا يُشْرِكُونَ.
Who is it who guides you through the darkness on land and sea, and who sends winds as heralds of good tidings ahead of His mercy? Is there any God associated with Allah in this task? Exalted be Allah above whatever they associate with Him in His divinity.
أَمَّن يَبْدَأُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ وَمَن يَرْزُقُكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَإِلَٰهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Who is it who creates in the first instance and then repeats it? Who is it who provides you with sustenance from the heavens and the earth? Is there any God associated with Allah in these tasks? Say, bring forth your evidence if you are truthful.
قُل لَّا يَعْلَمُ مَن فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ الْغَيْبَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ أَيَّانَ يُبْعَثُونَ.
Say, none in the heavens or on the earth has knowledge of the unseen save Allah. They do not know when they will be raised to life.
بل ادارك علمهم في الآخرة بل هم في شك منها بل هم منها عمون.
Nay, but they have lost their knowledge of the hereafter. They are steeped in doubt and uncertainty about it. Rather, they are blind to it.
وقال الذين كفروا أإذا كنا ترابا وآباؤنا أإنا لمخرجون.
The unbelievers say, when we become dust, we and our forefathers, shall we really be brought out from our graves?
لقد وعدنا هذا نحن وآباؤنا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
We were told about this, and so were our forefathers before us. But these are no more than fairy tales that have been recounted from ancient times.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين.
Say, go about through the earth and see what has been the end of the evildoers.
ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تكن في ضيق مما يمكرون.
O Prophet, do not grieve over them, nor be distressed at their designs.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
They also say, tell us when this threat will come to pass, if you are truthful.
قل عسى أن يكون ردف لكم بعض الذي تستعجلون.
The chastisement whose hastening you've been asking for, maybe a part of it has drawn quite near to you.
وإن ربك لذو فضل على الناس ولكن أكثرهم لا يشكرون.
Indeed, your Lord is exceedingly bountiful to mankind, yet most of them do not give thanks.
وإن ربك ليعلم ما تكن صدورهم وما يعلنون.
Verily, your Lord knows all that their hearts conceal, as well as all that they reveal.
وما من غائبة في السماء والأرض إلا في كتاب مبين.
There's nothing that is hidden, be it in the heaven or the earth, but is recorded in a clear book.
إن هذا القرآن يقص على بني إسرائيل أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون.
Surely, this Quran explains to the children of Israel most of the matters concerning which they have disagreements.
وإنه لهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين.
And it is a guidance and mercy for the believers.
إن ربك يقضي بينهم بحكمه وهو العزيز العليم.
Indeed, your Lord will decide between them by His judgment. He is almighty, all-knowing.
فتوكل على الله إنك على الحق المبين.
So put your trust in Allah, for you are on the manifest truth.
إنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين.
Surely you cannot make the dead hear you, nor can you make the deaf hear your call if they turn back in flight.
وما أنت بهاد العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
Nor can you direct the blind to the right way, preventing them from falling into error. You can make only those who believe in our verses to hear the call and then submit.
وإذا وقع القول عليهم أخرجنا لهم دابة من الأرض تكلمهم تكلمهم أن الناس كانوا بآياتنا لا يوقنون.
And when the time for the fulfillment of our word against them will come, we shall bring forth for them a beast from the earth, who will speak to them, because people did not believe in our signs.
ويوم نحشر من كل أمة فوجا ممن يكذب بآياتنا فهم يوزعون.
Just imagine the day when we shall muster from every nation a large group of those who gave the lie to our signs, and they shall be duly arranged in ranks.
حتى إذا جاءوا قال أكذبتم بآياتي ولم تحيطوا بها علما أم ماذا كنتم تعملون.
Until when all of them have arrived, Allah will say, Did you give the lie to my signs, even without encompassing them with your knowledge? If that is not so, what did you do?
ووقع القول عليهم بما ظلموا فهم لا ينطقون.
And the word will come to pass against them because of their wrongdoing. They will then be able to utter nothing.
ألم يروا أنا جعلنا الليل ليسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not perceive that we had made the night so that they may repose in it, and made the day clear and shining? Surely there are signs in this for those who believe.
ويوم ينفخ في الصور ففزع من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله وكل أتوه داخرين.
The day when the trumpet will be blown, all those who are in the heavens and on the earth shall be terror-stricken, all except those whom Allah wills, and everyone shall come to him utterly abject.
وترى الجبال تحسبها جامدة وهي تمر مر السحاب صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء إنه خبير بما تفعلون.
You now see the mountains and consider them firmly fixed, but then they shall pass away, even as clouds pass away. That will be the handiwork of Allah, who has created everything with perfect wisdom. He is well aware of what you do.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها وهم من فزع يومئذ آمنون.
Whosoever comes with good will receive a reward better than his deed, and they will be made secure from the terror of that day.
ومن جاء بالسيئة فكبت وجوههم في النار هل تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And whosoever comes with evil, they will be flung upon their faces into the fire. Will you be recompensed for aught other than what you do?
إنما أمرت أن أعبد رب هذه البلدة الذي حرمها وله كل شيء وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
Tell them, O Muhammad, I have been commanded only to serve the Lord of the city that he has made inviolable, to serve him to whom all things belong. I have been commanded to be of those that submit to Allah.
وأن أتلو القرآن فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فقل إنما أنا من المنذرين.
And to recite the Quran. So whosoever is guided, his guidance will be to his own good. As for those who stray, tell them, I am none but a warner.
وقل الحمد لله سيريكم آياته فتعرفونها وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And say, all praise be to Allah, who will soon show you His signs that you will recognize. Your Lord is not unaware of what you do.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
طاسيم
طاسيم.
تلك آيات الكتاب المبين. These
are the verses of the clear book.
نتلو عليك من نبأ موسى وفرعون بالحق لقوم يؤمنون.
We recount to you with truth some parts of the story of Moses and Pharaoh for the benefit of those who believe.
إن فرعون علا في الأرض وجعل أهلها شيعا يستضعف طائفة منهم يذبح أبناءهم ويستحيي نساءهم إنه كان من المفسدين.
Indeed, Pharaoh transgressed in the land and divided its people into sections. One group of them he humiliated and slew their sons and spared their daughters. Truly, he was among the mischief makers.
ونريد أن نمن على الذين استضعفوا في الأرض ونجعلهم أئمة ونجعلهم الوارثين.
We wanted to bestow favor on those who were oppressed in the land. We wanted to make them leaders and heirs.
ونمكن لهم في الأرض ونري فرعون وهامان وجنودهما منهم ما كانوا يحذرون.
And to grant them power in the land, and make Pharaoh and Haman and their hosts see what they had feared.
وأوحينا إلى أم موسى أن أرضعيه فإذا خفت عليه فألقيه في اليم ولا تخافي ولا تحزني إنا رادوه إليك وجاعلوه من المرسلين.
We suggested to the mother of Moses, suckle your child, but when you fear for his life, cast him into the river, and be not fearful nor grieve, for we shall restore him to you, and make him one of the messengers.
فالتقته آل فرعون ليكون لهم عدوا وحزنا إن فرعون وهامان وجنودهما كانوا خاطئين.
Then Pharaoh's household picked him up from the river, that he may be their adversary and be a cause of sorrow to them. Surely Pharaoh and Haman and their hosts erred in their scheming.
وقالت امرأة فرعون قرة عين لي ولك لا تقتلوه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وهم لا يشعرون.
The wife of Pharaoh said, Here is a delight of the eye to me and to you. Do not kill him. Maybe he will prove useful for us, or we may adopt him as a son. They were unaware of the end of it all.
وأصبح فؤاد أم موسى فارغا إن كادت لتبدي به لولا أن ربطنا على قلبها لتكون من المؤمنين.
On the other hand, the heart of Moses' mother was sorely distressed. Had we not strengthened her heart, that she might have full faith in our promise, she would have disclosed the secret.
وقالت لأخته قصه فبصرت به عن جنب وهم لا يشعرون.
She told the sister of Moses, "Follow him," so she kept watch over him unperceived by the enemies.
وحرمنا عليه المراضع من قبل فقالت هل أدلكم على أهل بيت يكفلونه لكم وهم له ناصحون.
And we had already forbidden the breasts of the nurses for the child. So, seeing the girl, said, "Shall I direct you to the people of a household that will rear him with utter sincerity?"
فرددناه إلى أمه كي تقر عينها ولا تحزن ولتعلم أن وعد الله حق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Thus did we restore Moses to his mother, that her eyes might be comforted, and she might not grieve, and realize that the promise of Allah was true. But most people are unaware of this.
ولما بلغ أشده واستوى آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
When Moses reached the age of full youth and grew to maturity, we bestowed upon him wisdom and knowledge. Thus do we reward those who do good.
ودخل المدينة على حين غفلة من أهلها فوجد فيها رجلين يقتتلان هذا من شيعته وهذا من عدوه فاستغاثه الذي من شيعته على الذي من عدوه فوكزه موسى فقضى عليه قال هذا من عمل الشيطان إنه عدو مضل مبين.
Once he entered the city at a time when its people were heedless, and he encountered two men fighting, one of whom belonged to his own people and the other to his foes. Now the man belonging to Moses' own people cried out to him for help against the man from the foes, and Moses struck him with his fist and finished him. Moses said, "This is an act of Satan. Surely he is an enemy who openly misleads."
قال رب إني ظلمت نفسي فاغفر لي فغفر له إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.
Then he prayed, "My Lord, I have indeed inflicted wrong on myself, so do forgive me." Wherefore Allah forgave him, for he is ever forgiving, most merciful.
قال رب بما أنعمت علي فلن أكون ظهيرا للمجرمين.
Thereupon Moses vowed, "My Lord, because of the favor that you have done me, I shall never support the guilty."
فأصبح في المدينة خائفا يترقب فإذا الذي استنصره بالأمس يستصرخ قال له موسى إنك لغوي مبين.
The next morning he proceeded to the city in fear and looking around as one apprehensive of danger, when all of a sudden the man who had sought his help the day before again called out to him for his help. Moses said to him, "Clearly, you are a very misguided fellow."
فلما أن أراد أن يبطش بالذي هو عدو لهما قال يا موسى أتريد أن تقتلني كما قتلت نفسا بالأمس إن تريد إلا أن تكون جبارا في الأرض وما تريد أن تكون من المصلحين.
And when Moses decided to lay his violent hands on the man belonging to the enemy, he cried out, "Moses, do you intend to kill me as you killed a person yesterday? You simply want to live in the land as a tyrant and do not wish to set things right."
وجاء رجل من أقصى المدينة يسعى قال يا موسى إن الملأ يأتمرون بك ليقتلوك فاخرج إني لك من الناصحين.
Then a man came running from the farther end of the city and said, "O Moses, the nobles are deliberating about you, that they may put you to death. So do be gone. I am one of your well-wishers."
فخرج منها خائفا يترقب قال رب نجني من القوم الظالمين.
Soon after hearing this, Moses departed in a state of fear, looking around as one in apprehension, and prayed, "My Lord, deliver me from these unjust people."
ولما توجه تلقاء مدين قال عسى ربي أن يهديني سواء السبيل.
When after his departure from Egypt, Moses headed towards Midian, he said, "I hope my Lord will show me the right path."
ولما ورد ماء مدين وجد عليه أمة من الناس يسقون ووجد من دونهم امرأتين تذودان قال ما خطبكما قالتا لا نسقي حتى يصدر الرعاء وأبونا شيخ كبير.
When he arrived at the spring of Midian, he found there a crowd of people watering their flocks, and he found apart from them 2 women holding their flocks back. He asked the women, "What is it that troubles you?" They said, "We cannot water our flocks until the shepherds take their flocks away, and our father is a very old man."
فسقى لهما ثم تولى إلى الظل فقال رب إني لما أنزلت إلي من خير فقير.
On hearing this, Moses watered their flocks for them, and then returned in a shaded place and said, "My Lord, I am truly in great need of any good that you might send down to me."
فجاءته إحداهما تمشي على استحياء قالت إن أبي يدعوك ليجزيك أجر ما سقيت لنا. فلما جاءه وقص عليه القصص قال لا تخف نجوت من القوم الظالمين.
Soon thereafter, one of the two women came to him, walking bashfully, and said, "My father invites you that he may reward you for your having watered our flocks for us." When Moses came to him and narrated to him the whole of his story, he said, "Have no fear, you are now safe from the iniquitous people."
قالت إحداهما يا أبت استأجره إن خير من استأجرت القوي الأمين.
One of the two women said, "Father, employ this man in your service. The best whom you might employ is he who is strong and trustworthy."
قال إني أريد أن أنكحك إحدى ابنتي هاتين على أن تأجرني 8 حجج فإن أتممت 10 فمن عندك وما أريد أن أشق عليك ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصالحين.
Her father said to Moses, "I want to marry one of these 2 daughters of mine to you, if you serve me for 8 years. But if you complete 10 years, that will be of your own accord, but not an obligation. I do not intend to treat you harshly. If Allah wills, you will find me an upright man."
قال ذلك بيني وبينك أيما الأجلين قضيت فلا عدوان علي والله على ما نقول وكيل.
Moses replied, "So that is agreed between me and you. Whichever of the 2 terms I fulfill, I trust that I shall not be wronged. Allah is a witness over the covenant we are committing ourselves to."
فلما قضى موسى الأجل وسار بأهله آنس من جانب الطور نارا قال لأهلهم كثوا إني آنست نارا لعلي آتيكم منها بخبر أو جذوة من النار لعلكم تصطلون.
When Moses had fulfilled the term and was journeying with his family, he perceived a fire in the direction of the Mount Sinai. He said to his family, "Wait here, I have observed a fire. Maybe I will bring to you some news or a brand of fire from there, that you may warm yourselves."
فلما أتاها نودي من شاطئ الوادي الأيمن في البقعة المباركة من الشجرة أن يا موسى إني أنا الله رب العالمين.
But when he came to the fire, a cry was heard from the right bank of the valley, from a tree in the hallowed ground. "O Moses, verily I am Allah, the Lord of all creatures of the universe."
وأن ألق عصاك فلما رآها تهتز كأنها جان ولا مدبرا ولم يعقب يا موسى أقبل ولا تخف إنك من الآمنين.
He received the command, "Throw away your rod." But when he saw the rod writhing as though it were a serpent, he turned back in retreat and did not even look behind. He was told, "O Moses, go ahead and have no fear. You are perfectly secure."
أسلك يدك في جيبك تخرج بيضاء من غير سوء واضم إليك جناحك من الرهب فذلك برهانان من ربك إلى فرعون وملئه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Put your hand into your bosom, and it will come out shining without any blemish. And draw your hand close to your body to still your fear. Those are the two clear signs from your Lord for Pharaoh and his chiefs, for truly they are a disobedient people.
قال رب إني قتلت منهم نفسا فأخاف أن يقتلون.
Moses said, My Lord, I have killed one person from among them, and I fear that they will kill me.
وأخي هارون هو أفصح مني لسانا فأرسله معي يرد أن يصدقني إني أخاف أن يكذبون.
My brother Aaron is more eloquent in speech than I, so send him with me as a helper to confirm my truthfulness, for I fear that they will reject me as a liar.
قال سنشد عودك بأخيك ونجعل لكما سلطانا فلا يصلون إليكما بآياتنا أنتما ومن اتبعكما الغالبون.
He said, We will certainly strengthen you through your brother, and will invest both of you with such power that they shall not be able to hurt you. With the help of our signs, the two of you and your followers will prevail.
فلما جاءهم موسى بآياتنا بينات قالوا ما هذا إلا سحر مفترى وما سمعنا بهذا في آبائنا الأولين.
But when Moses came to them with our clear signs, they said, This is nothing but a magic that has been contrived. We never heard anything like it from our ancestors of yore.
وقال موسى ربي أعلم بمن جاء بالهدى من عنده ومن تكون له عاقبة الدار إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
Moses replied, My Lord knows best who comes with guidance from him, and also whose end will be the best in the hereafter. As for the wrongdoers, they shall not prosper.
وقال فرعون يا أيها الملأ ما علمت لكم من إله غيري فأوقد لي يا هامان على الطين فاجعل لي صرحا لعلي أطلع إلى إله موسى وإني لأظنه من الكاذبين.
Pharaoh said, O nobles, I do not know that you have any god beside myself. Haman, bake bricks out of clay, and build a lofty palace for me, so that I may mount up and be able to observe the God of Moses, even though I believe that Moses is a liar.
واستكبر هو وجنوده في الأرض بغير الحق وظنوا أنهم إلينا لا يرجعون.
And he and his hosts waxed arrogant in the land without any right, believing that they will never have to return to us.
فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم فانظر كيف كان عاقبة الظالمين.
Eventually we seized him and his hosts, and we flung them into the sea. So do see the end of the wrongdoers.
وجعلناهم أئمة يدعون إلى النار ويوم القيامة لا ينصرون.
and we made them leaders who invite people to the fire. On the day of judgment, they shall not find help from any quarter.
وأتبعناهم في هذه الدنيا لعنة ويوم القيامة هم من المقبوحين.
We have made a curse to pursue them in this world, and on the day of judgment they shall be among the despised.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب من بعد ما أهلكنا القرون الأولى بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لعلهم يتذكرون.
After we had destroyed the earlier generations, we bestowed the book on Moses, a source of enlightenment for people, and a guidance and mercy that they may take heed.
وما كنت بجانب الغرب إذ قضينا إلى موسى الأمر وما كنت من الشاهدين.
O Muhammad, you were then not on the western side when we bestowed this commandment of law, and you were not among its witnesses.
ولكننا أنشأنا قرونا فتطاول عليهم العمر وما كنت ثاويا في أهل مدين تتلو عليهم آياتنا ولكننا كنا مرسلين.
Thereafter, we raised up many a generation, and a long time passed. You were then not even present among the people of Midian to rehearse our verses to them. But it is we who are sending news about that.
وما كنت بجانب الطور إذ نادينا ولكن رحمة من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يتذكرون.
Nor were you on the side of the Mount Sinai when we called out to Moses in the first instance. But it is out of mercy from your Lord that you are being informed of all this, so that you may warn a people to whom no warner came before you. Maybe they will take heed.
ولولا أن تصيبهم مصيبة بما قدمت أيديهم فيقولوا ربنا لولا أرسلت إلينا رسولا فنتبع آياتك ونكون من المؤمنين.
We did so lest a calamity might seize them because of the misdeeds they committed, whereafter they would say, Our Lord, why did you not send a messenger to us that we follow your revelation and become among those who believe?
فلما جاءهم الحق من عندنا قالوا لولا أوتي مثل ما أوتي موسى أولم يكفروا بما أوتي موسى من قبل قالوا سحران تظاهرا وقالوا إنا بكل كافرون.
But when the truth reached them from us, they said, Why was he not given that which was given to Moses? But did they not reject before what had been given to Moses? They said, Both are magic, each supporting the other. And they said, We deny each of these.
قل فأتوا بكتاب من عند الله هو أهدى منهما أتبعه إن كنتم صادقين.
Tell them, O Prophet, Then do bring a book from Allah, which is a better guide than either of them, and I will follow it. Do so if you are truthful.
فإن لم يستجيبوا لك فاعلم أنما يتبعون أهواءهم ومن أضل ممن اتبع هواه بغير هدى من الله إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
But if they do not hearken to this, know well that they only follow their lusts. And who is in greater error than he who follows his lusts without any guidance from Allah? Allah does not guide those given to wrongdoing,